Morning guys, we've had a bit of a slow morning this morning. Chilled out, cooked some brekkie, did a load of washing, hung it all out, and of course it's rained because it's raining every day. So as we're leaving, it's raining on the washing, but that is life up here at the moment apparently. I think it's rained almost every single night a little bit and every day a little bit. So who knows what this weather pattern's doing, but anyway. Ryan's just ducked in to get some bait, and then we're going to go for a fish at a few spots and hopefully catch something. How'd you go?
Good.
What'd you get?
We got squiddies.
Squiddies?
Try and get some fish today. We'll go around.
Where are we going to go first?
We're going to go to Mooty Head.
Yep.
Try there, which got the hot tip from Mitch and Co. We'll go do that, and then we're going to go to Stacia Pier and hopefully catch some liveys, chuck them on a hook, and let's hope we score well so we can get some dinner. It'll be good.
How'd you go?
I went to cast my line out and landed on the sand side, so not great.
Bit windy?
Mate, it's blowing. Anyway, it's about to rain, so if I get this pupper back in the aircon. Anyway, I don't know. I thought it was going to be a lot better than that. Anyway.
Holy man, it is like 1,000,000 degrees out there.
It is,
How hot was that on the way back?
oh, it's nuts, yeah.
Cooking! No fish to cook. Maybe we'll see. We're gonna go past Stacia and see how windy it is. And if it's too windy, we'll just go back to camp.
Which is going to be too windy, really.
And we might go out a bit later, see if we can catch some fishies off the weir or wharf or whatever the hell it's called there.
Yeah.
Yeah, see how we go. But yeah, right now it is toasting. I think we tried to pick fishing times based on tide times, but unfortunately the weather didn't like that.
No.
But anyway, it is what it is.
What day is it?
The day to go to the tip?
Yeah! Keen
Not
as.
sure what day of the week it is, but
Awesome as.
it's the day to go to the tip. A day late, but
Yeah.
we're gonna go.
Ticker off for the second time. I don't know if it's going to be enough for a video, so this might go into another video, but yeah, we'll head up. I think, what is it? It's only like a 30-minute, 40-minute drive, really,
Yeah, 40
from
minutes
Loyalty
drive.
Beach where we are, so
Yeah.
we'll head up there and yeah, see if we can put the drone up, see how windy it is and all that sort of stuff. Hopefully the sign is out of the water. Sweet ass, let's go! Where are we?
Just about to get to the tip. The
Finally.
most northernest point of Australian mainland.
Number 2. We've been here. This will be the second time now, so
Yeah,
Mac's
it is
first
pretty
time.
far.
We've got a bit of a walk over the top. The tide's in, so we can't walk around on the beach, but we'll go up here and get our photo and
Hopefully there's not too much water at the sign.
yeah, hopefully not. We can officially say we've done Cape York for a second time once we hit this sign.
Yeah, that's it. So we are on the trusty GoPro. We had a malfunction with the camera. She won't do anything. I don't know what's going on, but it's not playing the game at all. Won't turn off, won't record, won't take a photo, won't do anything. So hopefully by the time we get back to the car, because I had to go switch the camera for the GoPro, hopefully by the time we get back to the car it's sorted itself out, but I don't know what's going on. The wind up here is absolutely howling, like insane.
Last time.
So windy.
Have a look at the 360-degree view, but how'd you go?
We've made it to the tip, the northernmost most point of the Australian mainland. So we're here, we're at the side. Yeah, second time's a charm. The camera has officially stopped malfunctioning.
Yeah.
Took the battery out, took the mic off, played around with it, and back on she went. So I don't know what happened.
Sucks because we've actually got some really good footage at the tip.
I know.
Photo-wise, like wouldn't it so much better? But
I know, but anyway, we did what we could do with the GoPro and the good old iPhone.
Yeah.
As much as that works, but anyway.
Yeah.
We're heading to Punsand Bay to have some wood-fired pizza, but it's just started raining.
Yeah, it started proper rain.
Like, this is the first sort of actual rain we've had since we've been here. This has lasted probably, what, 5-10 minutes?
Yeah, literally, yeah.
Which is like, usually it's like a 2-minute shower, if that. Yeah.
It's terrible.
So, I'm a little bit scared it's still going to be raining when we get right up there. It is like a 40-minute drive from where we are, so hopefully on the way we drive out of it.
Yeah, we might actually check up here. Let's check the radar when we get up here in reception, eh?
Anyway, see how we go.
Right.
The roads are dry up here.
Yeah, doesn't look like there's any a bit of cloud cover.
But we got some hectic cloud cover happening, so well, where's the thing? Oh, we'll see what happens. See if it rains. Fingers crossed it doesn't.
Yeah, nah, it's looking pretty good. There she is.
What a spot. What a beautiful spot to have a beer and enjoy some pizza.
We're gonna do some wood-fired pizza. Definitely hasn't changed much, has it?
No, except they've got a pool.
They got a pool now.
They didn't have a pool
Wasn't there last time?
Which is, that makes 2 of the spots up here have a pool, because Alu has a pool and now Punsand has a pool.
Absolutely awesome. Look at that. Whew.
Super crisp on tap. Two R's. Wow, must be good. Morning guys, this is our last morning at Loyalty Beach, so pack up day and we're going to head to Nolan's. So Ryan's just cooked up a pancake and bacon brekkie for us, and then we're going to start packing everything up and heading down south across the Jardine Ferry and into Nolan's. We're through the bypass road. We're going to watch some of the cars go down and have a nice swim and camp there. Might even have a fire tonight.
We're going back across the Jardine River today.
Saying goodbye
Bit
to the
sad,
tip.
yeah. If we had the van, I reckon we'd be up here for another couple of weeks, but the weather's just a bit hard with the swag and all that sort of stuff, and I'm man enough to admit, I'm missing the luxury of the van, eh? But anyway, we're gonna do this. Get across to the other side, might have a quick bite to eat, and then we're gonna let the tyres down because apparently the road's really bad on the way back. So corrugates because we're doing the PDR. We're just going to duck in and out of the Old Tele, stay at Nolan's, stay at Sam's, so we'll show you guys the bypass tracks in and out. That way then if you want to come in and have a look sort of thing, and if you don't want to do the Tele, you still get to experience a little bit of it sort of thing. And yeah, we'll do that. What else do you reckon? Anything else? Do a fire, and yeah, we'll see how we go.
So the Jardine Ferry is, I don't know if I said this on the way through or not, 110 per car, so for a single car, and that's for there and back. And I believe once you get trailers and stuff like that, it's about 175 for a camper or a caravan as well as your car. But yeah. A couple of people have told us that the corrugations on the way back are pretty bloody gnarly, so Ryan's just letting some air out of the tyres and then we're going to be off. So we started heading into Nolan's and unfortunately we just hit it at like prime time. Prime time of when people are starting to finish the Tele and head out to the PDR because that bypass you have to use to get across to the Jardine Ferry. So everyone was coming out, so we ended up turning around because there was going to be an accident. It just wasn't worth it.
Yeah, no, that's it.
So we're now on our way into Sam's Creek. So won't do Nolan's now. We'll probably just stay at Sam's Creek for a couple of nights now. So it's beautiful enough here anyway. We were going to do here. It's a really nice spot.
Yeah. So this is the new edition. Purposely, we purchased it for the Cape trip just because we were staying in the swag. So it's a 30-second awning. Simple as pop the Velcro at the front. Beauty. Then we've just got 3 straps. 1, 2. I'll just push that back over there. 3. That rolls down. Just grab my cord out the back here, which I bring around, so it's preset. Just got to find an anchorage point. I've just been using a rhino rack at the moment. Not too sure if it's right or not, but it seems to be holding up well. Have that sitting there. And literally easy as. On there. So you got this black pole in the middle there. Pop up. It's good for when it rains. It seems to not pool as much in the middle. 1 Velcro. You don't have to do these if you're doing a quick little lunch stop, but I just put them on just in case the wind picks up while we're down for a swim. Also comes with a center leg, but then you can also purchase other ones as well. So that sits in there. Bingo, that's there, like so. And just the last one here. Perfect. And then you're straight onto the lift that up. How good's that? I'm a bit shaken up. Right, so this is camp 4, first night Sam's, pretty chill, very easy. 30-second awning, table chairs, cooker over the back, swag. Let's go check this creek out. So this is Sam's Creek, yeah?
Yep, this is Sam's Creek.
Sam's Creek, so you got the waterfall here. Absolutely clear as water. Comes down across here. It's a little mucky at the moment because there's a crew crossing the crossing at the top at the moment. But yeah, absolutely unreal. There was people, it's generally packed here, but yep. It's pretty good. We got a little tight, young family just got help for us, so yeah. We didn't ask them to, I think they just did, so it was cool of them. So now we've got the place to ourselves, I'll have a quick dip, and then we'll go up and have an early night, get some dinner going. Old Mac up there, doesn't like the water, so it's pretty funny.
A bit too deep for him.
Yeah. How good is this bar? Look at that. Wow. Mac Daddy's trying to get out, going back across the creek. This will be that funny. Watch this. Nope, I don't do water. Yes, you do. You're a water dog. Go, go, go! That actually went so much better than I thought it was gonna. The sand is so soft there, eh? Yoo! Zoomies! Loved it. Good on you, lad.
Whoa.
You crazy.
Parkour! I don't know how well it's gonna heat.
Is that cheating or is that cheating?
Definitely cheating.
How good's that? Looks awesome. So this is the pizza from Punsand the other night.
Last night, yeah.
Happy days.
And guess what? It's actually all gonna perfectly fit.
That is so good. Did you? Yeah, no, all good. How good's that? We're actually eating dinner, hopefully in the daylight. Have an early night.
See how long it takes for it to heat up.
Yeah, see how we go.
Never cooked pizza like, or heated pizza up like
No,
this.
might take a bit, eh? Where's that Papa?
What do you do while camping?
Mac Daddy's down here, he's living it. He's thinking,
where's my
where's
pizza?
my dinner? Where's my dinner? You good? Killing it. So yeah, tonight's on the menu, gourmet wood-fired pizza. Can't complain with that. Set up. Happy days.
Much good.
It's actually pretty good, eh? I didn't think it would be, but. Say goodnight, Meg.
Night.
Loves it.
Obsessed with his personal window.
He is, yes. But no, righto guys. That'll pretty well conclude this video. We sorry it's a bit of a bitsome one. We bit all over the shop on this one. Eh?
Yeah.
It is what it is.
It's all happening.
Anyway, we're camped up at Sam's Creek. New video will start tomorrow. And yeah, hopefully we can get on top of this filming and make sure the content can get a little bit better for you guys. And yeah, but anyway,
we hope you enjoyed.
we hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe. You know what you're doing.